Shalom. Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem, Wakar Kadash, and Heavenly Father. True name is Yahweh, and His unbegotten Son, Bahashem, in the name of Hamashiach, Yahweh Shai. Those are the true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, Valash Kadash, the Holy Tongue. And I said Barakathon to the elders and apostles, Wa'akim, Wa'akwaf, and I say Shalom. And this is a sit-down lesson that I want to bring out of the earthquakes in diverse places. Kind of slip of the tongue words a little bit. I meant to say I want to rephrase that. This is a Slocky. This is a sit-down lesson of the earthquakes in diverse places news updates as of May the 8th, 2026. Slocky for that. My apologies. And this is from the earthquake.usgs.gov, published May the 8th, 2026. You had a total of 45 earthquakes was recorded from May the 7th all the way to May the 8th. And you had a 2.5 earthquake recorded 33 kilometers southeast of Malaga, New Mexico. 2.8 earthquake recorded 45 kilometers northwest of San Antonio, Puerto Rico. 2.8 earthquake recorded 6 kilometers 6 kilometers east of Caldwell of Nebraska. 2.9 earthquake recorded 34 kilometers west of southwest of Stella, Puerto Rico. 3.4 earthquake recorded 7 kilometers south of southwest of Redlands, California. 4.4 earthquake recorded 68 kilometers south of Male Kawajima of Japan. 2.8 earthquake recorded 272 kilometers southwest of Yakutat of Alaska. 4.6 earthquake recorded 177 kilometers west and northwest of Apripula, Indonesia. 4.2 earthquake recorded 90 kilometers north of northwest of Pantanio of Indonesia. 4.4 earthquake recorded 45 kilometers north of Magallanes of Chile. 4.9 earthquake recorded 100 kilometers south and southeast of Lorigra, Papua New Guinea. 4.4. I meant to say 4.5 earthquake south of the Fuji Islands. 2.7 earthquake recorded 52 kilometers north of northeast Chickalenon, Alaska. 4.7 earthquake recorded 289 kilometers west to southwest of Alaska. Fair use. 2.5 earthquake 55 kilometers west of northwest Vanitai, Alaska. 4.2 earthquake recorded 29 kilometers east to southeast Yalin, Taiwan. 3.1 earthquake 18 kilometers Silver Springs, Nevada. 2.8 earthquake in Silver Springs, Nevada. 4.3 earthquake in Appleton, Alaska. 4.3 earthquake southeast of Yalantazia, Ecuador. 4.4 earthquake La Rizal, Cardenas of Mexico. 4.8 earthquake recorded 76 kilometers west to northwest of San Juan, Peru. 4.6 earthquake 117 kilometers east to northeast of Mali, Callao, Japan. 3.0 earthquake 101 kilometers south to southeast of Cold King of Alaska. 3.0 127 kilometers south to southeast of Sandpoint, Alaska. 2.6 earthquake recorded 120 kilometers north of Yakutat, Alaska. 3.1 earthquake recorded 7 kilometers southeast of Loma Linda, California. 2.6 earthquake recorded 74 kilometers south of southwest Outdock, Alaska. 4.9 earthquake recorded 114 kilometers south of southeast of Lorien Gold, Papua New Guinea. 2.7 earthquake 27 kilometers south of Clayton, Idaho. 2.9 earthquake recorded 70 kilometers north of Hialeah, Puerto Rico. 5.6 earthquake 109 kilometers south of southeast of Loring Gillen, Papua New Guinea. 3.2 earthquake recorded 4 kilometers east and northeast of Calavio, California. 3.2 earthquake recorded 61 kilometers northwest of San Antonio, Puerto Rico. 4.7 earthquake recorded 114 kilometers southeast of Loringau, Papua New Guinea. 4.7 earthquake recorded 160 kilometers southeast of Kalabad of Mongolia. 3.0 earthquake recorded 238 kilometers south and southwest of Aldous, Alaska. 2.8 earthquake recorded 17 kilometers northeast of Lamar, Montana. 2.5 earthquake recorded 2.5 kilometers. 2.5 earthquake recorded 18 kilometers west of Petrola, California. 5.9 earthquake recorded southeast of Indian Bridge. 2.8 earthquake 54 kilometers south and southwest of Nikolaevsky, Alaska. 3.5 earthquake recorded 63 kilometers east of Port Ellsworth, Alaska. 2.5 earthquake recorded 25 kilometers east of northeast of Honolulu, Nepal of Hawaii. 3.3 earthquake recorded 63 kilometers west to southwest of Stella, Puerto Rico. 2.6 earthquake recorded 118 kilometers southwest of Falls Pass, Alaska. So those was the latest earthquakes from April the 8th. Not April the 8th, May the 8th, 2026 on this Friday night. And this is the Gospel of Luke 21 and verse 25. And there shall be signs in the sun, in the moon, and the stars, and upon the earth disgressive nations will perplexity great glory. Right, we seeing these signs in the sun, and moon, and stars world too, right along with the earthquakes. I meant to say Luke 21 verse 11. Luke 21 verse 11, and great earthquakes shall be in diverse places. Right, so the Heavenly Father showing us these plain beginning and powerful works in the effects of signs, especially with the uptick of earthquakes. And this is what Yahushua, which the Heavenly Father's only begotten Son, Yahushua, spoke about. That was going to be an increasing uptick of earthquakes in various places, in diverse places. And great earthquakes shall be in diverse places. Famines and pestilence, and fruitful sights and great signs shall be from heaven. So with that, hopefully this sit down lesson was edifying of this earthquakes in diverse places news updates as of May the 8th, 2026 on this Friday night. So with that, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'ashem, Wakakadash. In the Heavenly Father, true name is Yahweh, and His only begotten Son Ba'ashem. In the name of Hamashiach Yahushua, those are the true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the last on the tongue. And I said, Barakabam to the elders and apostles, Wa'aki and Ma'akwaf. Until next time, I will say, Korm Yasharala and the Bible Ball. Shalom.